Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make $1 to $3 per minute chatting with friends, followers, fans around the world using your phone or your laptop. So as you can see on your screen, the site to this or to where you can make this free money is called premium.chat, and it pays to chat. So you get paid to chat with clients, fans and followers. And before you can start earning from this site, you need to sign up for a free account. And signing up, you don't need to pay anything before you sign up for the account. All you need is your email, and after signing up you need to create your profile, and it's within your profile that clients or people around the globe can have access to you or can know what you are capable of doing, and they will hit you up for a video call or a WhatsApp call or a chat. Then you can earn the money. So let's see an example. If you are on the website and you are online, this is what you are going to see. You see your image and it will pop up, or it will show that you are online. And she is called Donna Spencer, and she said, I am a motivational coach and I will guide you in all aspects of life, including your health, career, business and relationships. So if you come across this lady's profile, so if you need a motivational coach and to guide you in all aspects of your life, your health, your career, your business and relationship, you see that she will be the best person that you can choose. So the only thing you need is to hit her up, and she will guide you through. She will teach you on how to go about it. If you are finding some difficulties, you're having some psychological problems, she's going to coach and guide you through all your problems. So topic, we have motivational coaching or personal coaching session, and you can earn about $3.49 per minute. This is so cool. Just a minute and you earn about $3.49 per minute just coaching someone online. So the person will bring his or her problem, and you are going to guide the person as to how to go about it. And the only thing you need to is just hit on let's chat now. If the person is online, the person will reply you, and you are going to start. You start asking the person questions, and the person is going to reply. Don't worry about the payment option. As we go on, you are going to see how the billing, or you are going to receive your money when you are able to do this. So you monetize your website or social media account by charging for voice calls, video calls, or text-based chat. So this is what I've been talking about. It doesn't necessarily mean you should be a professional before you can earn from this side. All you need is to be good at something. Just be good at what you know you can do best, and you set up your profile and you are good to go. So in signing up, all you need is your email. You input your email and you click on sign up for free, and they are going to send you a code to your email, and you need to verify your email account to verify that this email is actually working and it is not a robot that is using the email. So these are some of the things that you can do on the platform. So you can see you can be a teacher, a technician, a tutor, an expert, advisor, a creator. So in creators, it is very cool. You can set up your profile like I'm good in writing script. This online, those people the creators that are doing videos, they need scripts, storylines, so that they can write their or they can put their content through, or they can use to do their contents or to make their content. So you can set up your profile. I am a script writer and I can write script for all your content. You understand? So when the person come across and the person needs scripts, maybe the person will just hit you up. Maybe I am maybe I am this content creator, I'm doing this. Maybe the person is doing pranks. I do pranks and I need script on pranks. So you have to sit down, then you think about type of pranks that you can write script on. Then you write for the person, and the person is going to pay you. An influencer, social media influencer, model, you can it is so cool. entertainment and a whole lot. So you can do anything on this platform. All you need is sign up, create your own profile. You have to put it there. You can say, I am an expert in bed laying, and I will teach you the skills to how you can lay bed. This is something that some people don't know how to do, and when they come and they see these type of things, the person will be interested to know how you can help him or her lay a bed. And you can also say, I am good cook, and I will teach you how to make dishes, African dishes or global dishes. And the person come across, the person see that maybe, oh, I want to do this type of this, let me hit this person up. The person will teach me how to do, and even most especially African dishes. Some of the people in the Western area, they actually like the dishes in the African side. So the person would like to know more about African dishes, and the person will hit you, oh, I want to know more about the African dishes. So all you need to do is to guide the person or teach the person types of African dishes, and it doesn't necessarily mean you should be an expert in making the dishes. You go on social media and or you Google, you go to YouTube, you watch how the dishes are being made, and you come there and you teach and you coach the person as how to go about it. So you see, so guys, this is so cool. Like I was saying, you get paid to video call. As you can see, you get paid to test chat. Whichever way, the person can call you on video call, then you are coaching the person. All you need is maybe the person hit you up and you set up time for the person. You have your tools, you have to write your things down, things you are going to need or to coach the person. You write it down, then you set up a time, then you call the person, then you guys will have a conversation. You can get paid to test chat. The person will hit you up, then you guys will chat, then you coach the person, you tell the person what the person needs. You see, get paid for call. The person will call you an audio call, then you and the person will chat. And this site, it is user friendly. It doesn't necessarily mean you should be an expert or should know much in the site before you can earn from the site. At the moment you enter in it, it will be easy for you to go. Your time is valuable, and so start getting paid for it. So utilize your time. Maybe you may be sitting down idle using your leisure time for nothing. You can sign up for this site and you start to make money. So you need to set up your own fees to maximize your profit. So easily set text and video chat fees that works for you, from $1 to $5 or $6 per minute, or up to $50 for flat rate chat. So this is so cool. You can make up to $5 or even $50 just for chats or video call. Stay in control. You set up your availability schedules and accept or reject individual chat requests as they come in. So you need to set up the time you'll be available, the time you'll be on the website, and sometimes they will hit you up, and if you are busy, you tell the person, maybe I'm busy right now, or you reject individuals or the chat request. Someone will hit you up, then you tell the person, oh, I'm busy. Or maybe you are doing something with someone, or it is not up to the time you have scheduled for yourself, then you tell the person, oh, now it is I am not ready. So you work from anywhere on any device. It is not you can work from everywhere around the world, and on any, whether a mobile phone, a laptop, a pad, anything that you can use to access the social media or can use to access the internet, you can use it to do this. So we handle the billing, you handle the chat. So in the bill aspect, you don't go into the billing. The website actually goes into the billing, because the person who will pay you will pay to the site. And if you complete your distance with the person, the website is going to pay you. So you don't handle the billing. The website handle the billing, you handle the chat. And reliable on-time payment. You get paid by direct deposit or PayPal on the 10th of each month for the previous month chats with full accounting. So they pay you on the 10th of every month. Guys, this is so cool. And they pay you through direct deposit or PayPal. So you need to get a PayPal address, and I have a video on how to create a PayPal address in countries that are not capable in or using PayPal services. We know PayPal have blacklisted some countries that they can't use their services, like Ghana, and I learned recently Nigeria has been added. Like Nigeria can now create PayPal address. I don't know, but I need to confirm that some countries are being blacklisted by PayPal that they can't use their services. So if you are in such a country, you can check out this video on how to create a PayPal address in 2023. This is a current way. This is a new method you can use to create a PayPal account. So you can get paid on 10th of every month into your PayPal account. So guys, you see, this is so cool and transparent, easy to follow reporting. So benefit from reliability you can count on with real-time accurate reporting and billing that will keep you in picture. So you see, super lucrative two-tier referral program. So this one you can also refer to earn. You can refer your friends and you earn. So you refer friends and contacts to earn even more. We pay 2.5% of all revenue generated by your referrals and 2.5% on anyone they refer. So you refer your friends and you get 2.5% of all revenue they generate and 2.5% on everyone they also refer, that your friends also refer. You understand? So this is so cool, guys. So how it works, it is very simple. You can use all your social media to sign up. You can use your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Google to sign up, or just create your own profile. Just your username, your first name, your last name, your password, your date of birth. Then you set it up. Then you hit on sign up. So after signing up, you need to set up your profile, as I was saying. So to choose a profile, you need to input your profile, your topic, your description. That is what you ought to be doing on the site. So let me show you an example. And I was saying you need to set up your price per minute, your price rate per minute. You understand? So this is where you set up your price and your chat length, the amount of minutes you can engage in a chat, and 30 minutes. So it's so cool. You set your per minute or flat rate fees. That's what I'm talking about. And you need to, as I was saying, that your availability, the time you'll be visible or you'll be available on the site, you need to set the time. So if it is from Monday to Sunday and the time 7 or 9 to 5 p.m., you understand? Open all day. If it is all day, you open, and the time you need to close. If you set up the time, the site will automatically close the time you are not available, or the time you don't. If you say from 9 to 5 p.m., so after 5 p.m. the site will automatically close for you. So anybody who comes to see your profile, it will show on the person, or it will tell the person that you are not available. You understand? That is, you set your availability. So that is what is there. So this will be after setting up your profile. This is what you are going to see. Your picture that you use for your profile will be there, and your name will be there. And you said the topic is motivational coaching. So your topic, the one you put over there, will be there. But this is motivational, and the amount you charge per minute, $3.49 per minute. You understand? And if you are online, to show that you are online. You understand? And this is the time that, or the area that your location is there, will be there. And you have a payment. If someone sent you a request, this is what you are going to see. You have a premium chat request, and please respond now. And the person has been waiting for the time. The person has been waiting 4 minutes 23 seconds. That is the time the person has been waiting for you to respond. So if you are in, then you respond. Just click on yes, start chat. Then you click on. If you are not ready to that time, then you click on no. Then maybe if the person will look for another person, then the person will go. So that is to accept or decline chat request. So you see, guys, you can start making money today. So just click on the sign up, and you create your profile. So if you are doubting or you don't know how to go about it, then this is a video. See how it will. You click on the video and it's going to show you how you can make money on this or how to go about things on this website. So guys, this is so cool, and I will request or need a little favor from you guys. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, comment. If you are finding any difficulties on this side, just comment in my comment section, ask me any question there. And I also have a WhatsApp group that we do a lot of chatting over there. You can also hit me up or check in the description and you can join the WhatsApp group. So guys, I would like that you share this video to your friends, that we can all make money online. Like this video, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel, and you are going to be part of this family of making money online. Thank you for now, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.